So I was talking about this live earlier today about how I have went through so many blenders, and this one has been our keeper. This one is on my Benable. We had it last year. This one's 900 watts. We have a 1200 watt on the Benable under my bubble tea list and on the home list. Every year for my birthday for the last couple years we've been getting bubble tea, and I've went through like 5 different blenders or more. Like I had a single use blender twice. I had the NutriBullet, we had the Baby Bullet, all of them have burnt out. Baby Bullet, of course, was not supposed to be used for that. We also had a Hamilton. So we had a Hamilton before, it did not crush ice. So the Ninja, this one is a Ninja, it's 900 watts. The one on the list is 1200 watts, and it cuts ice. We've had this for over a year now. In the summertime, we do bubble tea almost every day for like 6 weeks straight with ice. And I'm just putting 3 little spoonfuls in this really hot water. And that's all it is, powder. I found a local place, a local supplier. I was shipping it from BC, but there's a local place here in Ottawa that I have also listed in that bubble tea list. So I literally just mix it with water, and then I put it in the blender with ice. I tell you, this thing is fast. It is so fast. So just the water and that. Sorry, doing it with one hand, so I just put the lid on, and then I'm gonna try to mute this part when I edit it, but power, and then 3. It's done. Full ice. Full ice. Now the thing that makes bubble tea is tapioca. I don't like tapioca pearls, so I love me some rainbow jelly. So we got this from the same supplier. It is amazing. It's like really soft gummy bears. That's what I would associate it to. I love this stuff. I like put a lot of it in my drink. Bubble tea is with little bits of fruit at the bottom of your cup, and you suck it through a straw, or tapioca beads. A lot of people do boba pearls or popping boba, but this is essentially lychee, flavored lychee with some simple syrup, which is really good. And then it's not coming off my spoon. And this is super easy too. It just comes off. The middle comes out. This is really sharp, so I don't touch the blade, because when I do, it hurts like hell. And then, now the secret to making smoothies or slushies or anything ice-based is you always want to fill your cup with ice and then put it in the blender. So the volume of your drink is based on the volume of ice that you put in your drink. And then the fluid around it just makes it so it's like perfect. Look, it is perfect. So then we grab a metal straw, which you can also find a set of metal straws over on that list. And then you've got an amazing summer drink. It's so good. It's my favorite. We got Honeydew, and we also got blueberry from the supplier this year. So definitely go check all of that stuff out. I am a huge fan, and like when it comes to bubble tea at the store, this drink, a Honeydew drink, is like $8.50. And I get to make it the way I want it, and I can have it every day for like 6 weeks. Hell yeah.